Hello, in this video, I'll demonstrate our Python-based chat application with its core features and enhancements. I'll be using 4 command prompt windows, 1 for the server and 3 for the clients named John, Peter and Stella. First up, I'll be connecting the server and clients. As you can see, there's a connection from the 3 clients. Next, I'll be entering the various usernames, John, Peter and Stella. As shown at the server page, John, Peter and Stella has connected. Next, what I'll be doing is testing an invalid username, empty username and duplicate username. First up, I'll be trying an empty username. As shown, the username cannot be empty and it requires a valid username. Next up, I'll be trying an invalid username. As shown, the username is invalid. Lastly, I'll be trying a duplicate username, John. As shown, John has been taken. We have to try another username. Moving on, I'll be trying the help command. When I issue the help command, it will show all the available commands that are allowed. Next, what I'll be trying will be the broadcast command. To type the broadcast command, simply type whatever message is required. For example, when John says hello everyone, it will be broadcasted to everybody. Next up, I'll be trying the private messaging. So in this case, I'll message Stella. As you can see on Stella's client side, it shows a PM from John. When trying to message a non-existent user, it will show that the user is not online. Next up, I'll be showing you the add names feature. This will list the online users. In this case, John, Peter and Stella. Next up, we'll be creating a group. In this case, we'll call it project. When a group is being created, all members will be notified. Next, we'll be sending a message from John to the group project. As shown, the other members are being notified of it. Next up, we'll try to send a message to a group that does not exist, and as shown, it will prompt that it does not exist. Following along, what we'll be doing is to leave the group. In this case, Stella will try to leave the group project. As shown, Stella has left the group and is shown to other members in the same group as well. To prove it even further, we're going to use Peter in this case to send a message. As shown, Peter is the one sending the message and John's the one receiving it. Stella wouldn't receive it because she has already left the group. Next, we'll be trying the encryption message, which is our additional feature. Sending an encryption message to Peter from John will allow Peter to review the message. Upon reviewing it, the message will be tallied and sent. Next, we'll be trying the incognito message. Similarly, by typing /incognito, it will send a message to Peter. For incognito feature, it will not be shown in the history, which is our second additional feature. When I do history private Peter, it will show the conversation between John and Peter, and it will show that the conversation has been encrypted. However, it will not show the incognito message because it's meant to be incognito and not seen by the history. Now, history broadcast will show John broadcasting earlier on a message hello everyone to everybody. Lastly, we'll try the history group message. In this case, it will show the history for the group project itself. Now I'll show you my third additional feature. It's game start. So there'll be a trivia question asked to a personal user in this case. When you type the command at game start trivia to answer the game, simply type game answer and if it's incorrect, they'll prompt you to try again with the same command, which is add game answer. For example, if the user tries 3 times, it will prompt that the user has tried 3 times at the end of it. So, as you can see, this is the second attempt, and for the last attempt, SFTP is the correct answer, hence it says you needed 3 attempts. Now I'll be showing you for the group side. So you can also start a game in the group and will notify the members in the group. The command is game start group with the group name. And in this case, John and Peter are both in the group. So the same question will be displayed. Now we'll be using Peter to answer the group question. So the command will be game answer group name, and the answer. So if it's correct, it will show that the individual attempts are by Peter and that Peter has solved this game trivia. So now I'll be attempting to delete the group, and as shown, the group has been deleted by Peter and the group no longer exists. Lastly, I will quit for John, Peter and Stella. And as shown in the server side, John, Peter and Stella will have left. This demonstrates our Python application with all required functionality: user authentication, broadcasting, private messaging, group management, and error handling. We've enhanced it with encryption, incognito messaging, chat history, and interactive trivia games. The client-server architecture uses socket programming and multi-threading for simultaneous connections. Our testing confirms the application handles both normal operations and edge cases effectively, providing a robust user experience. Thank you for watching.